This is the math review video for lesson 7.5, estimate products. Remember, this chapter is dealing with decimals, so we're not just talking about estimating products of whole numbers, but we're going to be doing multiplication with whole numbers as well as decimals. Let's begin with example 1 that shows us how to use compatible numbers. Remember, compatible numbers do not use the rule of rounding. These are just numbers that you think are convenient to work with, but are as accurate as possible, meaning that they are as close to the actual number that you're working with as possible. Here we have 90/100 times 28. When we want to use compatible numbers, we want to think of whatever works for us and whatever is going to be accurate. So if I were going to be working with this problem, I might choose to round this to 9/10, and then I might turn 38 into 30. Because now I'm seeing that 9 and 3 would be convenient numbers for me to work with. So now that I'm working with these sets of numbers, I can say 9 times 3 is 27, and then I have the 0 left over from the 30. So to keep the place value the same, I need to add that 0 over here. Then I need to go back and figure out where my decimal point belongs. In these two factors, I have one digit behind the decimal point. So in my product, I need to have one digit behind the decimal point. That tells me the decimal point in this product would go right behind the 7. Now let's go on to example 2. This is to show us how to use rounding. Now with rounding, we have a specific set of rules. If the number behind it is 5 or above, we round up. If it is 4 or below, we keep it the same. Let's look at our example here, 27 times 2 and 205 thousandths. To round these numbers, I would probably want to keep this at 27 because I know my other one is going to be pretty convenient. And then I can round 2 and 205 thousandths to 2. Now I got this 2 because I was looking at the digit behind it. And this 2 is less than 4, which means this 2 should stay the same. 27 times 2 is 54. So my estimate for this example would be 54. Now remember, when you're estimating, there are several different correct answers to any one problem. So don't get stuck trying to figure out exactly which numbers your teacher is looking for. Think about what's accurate and easy to work with.